Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial I want to show you how to create a component in Figma. So here I have a App Store button and I want to transform it into a Figma component. So all what I have to do is to select the button frame and go to the top bar menu and select the create component icon. And here, as you can see, a component icon besides my name. And if I want to access my component, let's go to the Assets tab. And here, as you can see, local component, I have my button. So I can drag it and drop it into my canvas. And this button is a instance of my component. So next I want to show you how to create multiple components at once. So here I have 4 buttons, and to create multiple components just select all your button frame here, as you can see in the sidebar, and just go to the arrow besides the component icon and select create multiple components. And here my button frames has been transformed into components, and in the assets we can see here all our components. We can drag it. Okay, so that's it for this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next one.